Hi, Akron After School kids, and welcome back to another day of experiments with Miss Myers. Today is our last experiment together, so we are going to create something really cool and something that will last a long time. So today's ingredients include vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, and warm water with an empty 2-liter. In your heads, can you think of a hypothesis? Those are some great hypotheses. If I put all of these ingredients together, then this might happen. So we're going to go ahead and create this. But first, if you do this at home, if you recreate this, you need to be outside. Do not do this inside because this is going to be messy and very unpredictable. So we're going to do it out here and a little bit further away from the cars, so that way the cars don't even get messy. So go ahead and join us as we put everything together. So it's 100 milliliters of water, warm water, ten milliliters of dish soap, kind of mix that in a little bit, and 400 milliliters of white vinegar. Oh, that smells. And then it is 2 drops of food coloring. I chose blue again. Now you're going to add baking soda with a little bit of warm water. You're going to take it, put your bottle on the ground. We're going to bend the camera down just a little bit more so you can see. You are going to quickly pour this in and then run away. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and see. Ah! It's going to create a volcano, and it's going to be a continuous volcano. All of these ingredients are reactive to each other, so that means that they will make a chemical reaction and explode. So I hope that you enjoyed this awesome science experiment and had an explosion of a summer learning so many new skills. And we will see you guys later. I hope you have a great school year, and bye!